Hi, I'm Shweta from Xplorabox. Let's see what exciting activities we've lined up for your child in this month's box.
This month's theme is Junior Designer. There are 5 amazing activities in the box. Path to Neighborhood, Block Puzzle, Meet the Architect, Helping Hands and Activity Maths. The first activity is Path to Neighborhood. In this fun activity, your child will learn about important buildings and people that work there. Your child will create road tracks to connect the path and then place various buildings in proper place. This activity will improve the learning skills and fine motor skills. The second activity is Block Puzzle. In this activity, your child is provided with 4 blocks that contain 4 puzzles. They will solve the puzzle and then identify the various objects in them. This activity will improve their problem-solving skills and fine motor skills. Third activity is Meet the Architect. In this super fun activity, your child will create a park with house, seesaw and a wooden swing. This activity will improve their fine motor skills and creative skills. Fourth activity is Helping Hands. This activity will focus on developing your child's empathy and compassion, whereby they will identify the problems given in various images and appropriately select the suitable token for it. This activity will improve their logical and critical thinking skills. Fifth activity is Activity Maths. There are right and right maths with 8 engaging activities that will keep your child engaged for a long time. This activity will improve their fine motor skills, cognitive skills and academic skills.
You will also receive 20 downloadable worksheets via mail every month. If you have not taken your Xplorabox subscription, then take it now and give your child a gift of fun and learning that will make them smarter and sharper.